Okay, guys, now we're going to fry them. We've got our jalapeno poppers. Thought I had my grease hot enough. Sorry, not hot enough yet. It's starting to bubble though, so it'll be there shortly. Y'all don't pay attention to my mess. Y'all know I always have a mess. Oh yeah, they're good. Okay, so let's get them in here. So out of 1 pack of cream cheese, and I put a pretty good amount in it, guys, but I wound up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of them. So we're going to try to cook all 8 at one time because they cook pretty fast. I mean, your cream cheese and stuff don't really have to cook. Now, I could have, and you can too if you want to put jalapenos in it, but you prefer your jalapenos to be cooked, use either pickled jalapenos or saute them. Saute them before you put them in. I like the raw in mine. So, what's everybody doing today? Let me put my glasses on so I can see. Thank you, Miss Kathy. Hey, Miss Crystal. Hey, Sylvia. Hey, Miss Willie. Thank you, Miss Sylvia. Hey, Miss Sheila. But anyhow, guys, this is just a good snack, and I eat mine. If I don't want to mix, you know, sometimes I'll mix up sauce, but if I don't want to, I'll just eat them with plain sweet and LaChoy sweet and sour sauce. It's so good. It's so good. Or sweet chili sauce is really good with them too. Either one of them. Either one. It's really good. Just to dip them in. I hope I got mine sealed good. It looks like some of them's a little bit coming up, but hopefully they'll be sealed good. See if that one's already, oh, see that one's already starting to brown. See, it doesn't take long. And you want to watch them because you don't want them to burn. I'm going to put this one in next. Yep. Oh, yeah. Because they'll cook really fast. This is a very, egg roll wrapper is a very, very thin dough. Very thin dough. Oh, yeah. Look at there how quick. Them's getting warmer, browner than that one. Let me put him over there and put this one over here. But so far, none of the goodie is cooking out. So, anyhow. Oh, Miss Lena, that's what I need to do. Oh, Miss Linda, isn't that wonderful? Hey, my sunshine. There's my sunshine, guys. They're over in Tifton for the funeral. So, oh, look how quick, guys. I'm going to leave that just a minute longer, but they're getting, look at there. Oh, yeah. So quick. And you can deep fry them. Now, I didn't have no oil set up for deep frying, and you really don't have to deep fry, so that one almost wasn't sealed good enough. See there, I'm going to show you. See, he almost wasn't sealed good enough. He's kind of almost wanting to come apart. But then, once you cook them, just take them up on something that can drain the oil off and leave them for a little while, because let me tell you, you don't want to go biting into these hot things because they will burn your mouth. Burn your mouth. But they are so good. And like I said, I like mine sweet. I like mine sweet. Okay, they're all done. And all pretty and brown. See that one that I was talking about? You can see him real good. Let me show you this side. You can see him real good where he's wanting to come apart. So make sure you have it good and wet. Oops, goodness, that hurt. That burned a little bit. Okay. All right. But that's it, guys. There's how quick we can make us some jalapeno poppers. That was really quick, okay? So I love you. Y'all share this out. And maybe somebody else wants to make them just a really quick little snack. So it looks like up close. Isn't that pretty? But you want it to drain, so I'm going to put it back over there and let it drain. But there you go. All right. Love you guys. I would not think so, Pamela, because it's wet. And all you really need is something wet. I probably just didn't put quite enough. That's all it is. Yeah, because you just need something wet. All right? Love you guys. Bye. Hey, and we are going to come back later today. Now, I don't know if I'll come live. I may just make a video of it doing chimipiquitas. I hadn't made them in a long time. So, all right. Love you guys.